Welcome to our channel, where we provide you with helpful guides and tutorials for using X. In this video, we'll show you a full guide on how to set a preferred feed language in X. If you want to customize your feed and see content in your preferred language, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open X. Launch the X application on your device. Locate the X icon and tap on it to open the app. Step 2. Tap on the account icon. Find the account icon positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access the account menu. Step 3. Tap on Accessibility Display and Language. From the account menu, locate and tap on the Accessibility Display and Language option. This will take you to the accessibility and language settings of your X account. Step 4. Tap on Languages. Within the accessibility and language settings, find and tap on the Languages option. This is where you can manage the language settings of X. Step 5. Tap on Preferred Language. Within the Languages settings, look for the option that says Preferred Language and tap on it. This is where you can set your preferred language for the X feed. Step 6. Select the language. You'll be presented with a list of available languages. Scroll through the list and select your preferred language by tapping on it. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to set a preferred feed language in X. By selecting your preferred language, you can customize your feed to display content that is relevant and enjoyable to you. Thank you for watching this full guide on how to set a preferred feed language in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more X-related tutorials.